How does dividend income really work in the United States? Many Americans earn money without working extra hours, simply by owning dividend-paying stocks. In this video, Smart Wealth USA explains dividend income step by step in a simple way for beginners. What is dividend income? Dividend income means getting paid regularly just for owning shares of a company. When American companies make profit, they share a part of that profit with shareholders. This payment is called a dividend. Why dividends are popular in USA? Dividend income is very popular in the United States because it provides steady cash flow. Many Americans use dividends to pay bills, save money, or reinvest for future growth. It's a slow but reliable way to build wealth. How often? Dividends are paid. In the USA, most dividend-paying companies pay dividends every 3 months. Some ETFs and funds pay monthly dividends. This creates predictable income without selling investments. Dividend stocks versus dividend ETFs. Americans invest in dividend stocks or dividend ETFs. Dividend stocks are individual companies, while ETFs hold many companies together. Beginners usually prefer ETFs because they are safer and diversified. Compounding and reinvesting. Smart Americans reinvest their dividends instead of spending them. This creates compounding, where dividends buy more shares and those shares pay even more dividends. Over time, this strategy can grow income without extra work. Risks and reality. Check. Dividend income is not risk-free. Companies can reduce or stop dividends, and stock prices can go up or down. That's why Americans focus on long-term investing and diversification. Last, dividend income is one of the simplest passive income methods in the United States. It rewards patience, consistency, and long-term thinking. Subscribe to Smart Wealth USA to learn how Americans build wealth step by step.